Okay, so welcome. In this video we're going to graph another function, and this time you want to be careful of negative numbers. Make sure that you're entering the numbers in correctly, okay? And remember to whatever goes in the function goes in the parentheses, okay? So let's start by graphing this thing, see what we get. So let's start with, again, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's start with those, see what we get. And so now we plug in -3. So now again, remember, if we stick in -3, we have to stick in -3 wherever there's an x. So x squared becomes -3 quantity squared minus 4. So remember, the negative goes inside with x, right? Because x is being squared, so -3 is being squared. And so this would be 18 minus 4, which is 14. Okay, so we get 14 here. Okay, and so with negative numbers, you got to be careful, especially if you have a power. So now let's take a -2. So -2 goes in here, so -2 squared is +2 times 2 is 8 minus 4 is 4. You stick a -1, -1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2 minus 4 is -2. And of course 0 is going to give us 0 minus 4, which is -4. And then 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2 minus 4 is -2. And 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 4 is 4. And so we see this again, and we see this pattern. So now let's plot these points. So what do we got? We got, well, we're not going to plug in 3 comma 14, so let's go to -2, 4. So we can plot -2, 4. And then -1, -2. Oops. Yeah, that's right. -1. -2. 0, -4. One -2. Two, 4. And that's all I'm going to be able to plot. And so if we look at this graph, and again, we connect it with a smooth curve from left to right. We get something like that. And that's it. So again, just make sure when you're plugging in negative numbers into functions where you have a power, that the negative number is being raised to that power. Okay? Have a great day.